In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Google Sites. We'll keep it simple and efficient by using Google Sheets, which lets you place a clean, up-to-date table right on your page without rebuilding it by hand. This approach is great because any changes you make in the spreadsheet will automatically reflect on your site, saving you time and keeping your content accurate. Start by opening your Google site and navigating to the page where you want the table to appear. Take a moment to think about placement. Tables usually work best in areas where readers expect structured information, like a section for pricing, schedules, or comparisons. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can add content and give yourself a clear space on the page where the table will fit comfortably. Next, look for the Insert option. In Google Sites, you'll find Insert on the right side panel or along the top menu, depending on your layout. Choose Google Sheets from that Insert area. This tells sites you want to pull in a spreadsheet and display it as a table. You'll see a file picker open, showing spreadsheets you can access. This is where you connect your table to the site. Now select a Google Sheet that already contains your table. Pick the file that holds the data you want people to see. If your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, choose the one with the table laid out the way you like it. Clear headings, consistent columns, and the rows you intend to share. The cleaner the sheet, the better it will look on your page. Once you confirm the selection, sites will place the embedded table. From there, you can usually adjust the size by dragging the corners so it fits your page design neatly, and you can position it so it aligns with other content. A quick tip: since the table is powered by Google Sheets, it stays in sync. Update numbers, labels, or rows in Sheets, and your Google Sites page will reflect those changes without any extra work. If you plan to share the site broadly, ensure the spreadsheet's visibility supports your audience, otherwise visitors may not see the content. Also, consider keeping column widths reasonable and headings short so the table remains easy to read on both desktop and mobile. That's all it takes. Open your site page, insert Google Sheets, and select the sheet that contains your table. With just these steps, you get a professional dynamic table embedded directly into your Google site.